What do you say, brother?
Oh, right on.
Feels good, huh?
Great day, yeah.
Right on. So here we are, we're at Cherry Beach. It's a tournament. I just did the captain's meeting. I didn't even turn the light on, or the camera on. I've already let everybody go. They've headed out. I think there's 53 or 55 anglers. You can see them all taking off. See, Kelly's got the drone going. I got Steve here taking off. Everybody's going. Should have got the boats. This whole beach, that whole beach from that guy up there all the way to that guy was filled. Well, let's see what we get for today. Buddy?
Beauty day, beauty conditions. Can't ask for anything better than this. Fishing in Toronto with the pals. I'll get for Pike with YAKMAN.
YAKMAN, YAKMAN. So how are we doing? How are we doing here today?
So far so good. Got 2 pike thus far, about 21 and a half and 22 inches.
Nice.
Both on 5 of diamonds.
Nice.
One trolling and one chucking. On about 10 feet of water, maybe 3 feet above the cabbage. Came up and took them. So.
And I heard Karen and Dave caught a couple pike as well. You seen?
Yeah, Karen was in the shallow areas just working crankbait, a little 2-piece swivel, and she got a nice couple, 27 and a half. I think 28 was a bigger one.
First time in a kayak.
Yeah.
You getting the itch yet?
No itch, no bites.
How about the itch to fish from a kayak?
Oh yeah.
You can see why we're all hooked on it, eh?
I think you created a monster.
You glad you came out?
Yeah, great day. Seeing everyone catch a fish but myself, a little change. So, looking forward to it.
Oh, that's good, that's good. Glad to see you here, buddy. Oh yeah, you're onto something good here. There, you got her. Just keep her away from the boats. Hopefully the battery holds. Just keep the net right there. You got it perfect, brother. All right. No? James, hold it up. Like, no, not, you don't want to lose it. Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm going to the shore.
Not a good one, but it's okay.
Get the net there, buddy. Can you reach the net? Don't grab that one. You're gonna get hooked. That's treble hook.
Well, I mean,
do that and then grab the net. Hold it higher though, higher. Yeah, hold it there and just grab your net. Don't go.
I got a fish.
Nice. Well, here we are. I got a guy here just said he caught a 34. He's gonna show me a pic. Just, oh, look at that. I don't know if this sees it. Oh, hold him up, brother. Nice. Just under 27, wasn't it?
Yeah, 26 and a half.
Right on, right on. Let her go. Let's get a nice release here. Oh yeah. Oh, he's ready. You can let it go. Nice. Good catch, buddy. Good catch. 27 and something on the board?
28, 27 and 3/4, and a 25.
Wow.
Yeah, so
That 28 should be in there from what I hear, but who knows? We had a lot of guys and girls here today. We're up to 53 anglers, I think, showed up. So, and most of them are on the other side of the lake. So let's keep your fingers crossed and enjoy the rest of the day, and good luck. Bam! Nice! Nice recovery.
Put him right on your lap, bro. Celebrate.
What do you say, brother?
Oh, right on.
Feels
What
good,
a
huh?
great day. Yeah.
Right on.
Wow.
Good catch. Good
I'm
catch.
excited. What a beauty.
2018 Toronto Island Pike Tournament put on by the Complete Paddler. I have read in front of me from the Canadian Fishing Network showing off with his moves here, standing. He was doing a jig until I turned the camera on. Now he's...
Sorry, cut that. Cut that. Cut that.
Boom. There we go. Joe, how you making out there?
I got one.
You got one?
I got one, yeah. I'm on the board.
You're on the board, on the board?
Yeah. See if we can get a big one here.
You want a bigger one?
Oh, yeah. Maybe. Oh, hi. I'm in my new Jackson Kilroy, battling the waves of Lake Ontario. And it's pretty